Okay, so I got a floppy drive. It's down here set up and ready to go. But in this floppy drive, I got it from VCF East. It was in the box and all that. It even had the warranty. Can you believe that? But like, this is the problem with it. I fixed it before, but I forgot. I never got a chance to record it, so I'm gonna record it now. So let me get this thing out of here. Get like this stuff out of the way. Oh, in the hole it goes. Disconnect it. I'll try to do this all in one take. Oh. Commodore never made these very light. I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver. And now I'm gonna try to attempt to open the thing. I have a smaller screwdriver somewhere. Oh, this will do. I'll fit into it. So all I have to do is open these 4 screws. Okay, that one's out of there. Now there we go. Okay. Get in there with the screwdriver. This one was looser than the previous one. Mate, you're not gonna come out? Okay. Alright, this one. By the way, this is a wimp. This is like a, just like a whatever of the moment. Like, I forget what that's called, but like, oh, that's right, spur of the moment type thing. So, screwdrivers are spinning. I think that's open. Hold up. Let me pause. See if I can open this. Probably not. Hold up. Okay, I got the screws out. Now I just need to get the top off. There you go. I will do it with one hand and you shan't stop me. Alright, there you go. Over here we got the short board. You can see here on the 6502, it's the 36 weeks of 84. But the board here isn't the problem. It's over here. It is doohickey, but see, this works fine. So all you need to do, you can see it here, is like where this part connects to here is where the problem is. So all I have to do is take this, lower it a little bit, and go blurp, just like so, and just like that, it works again. I don't know if this helps anyone, but just be a little wary of these type. The heads tend to do a thing where the moisture gets in there and kills them. This one does work though. I have used it a decent bit in the past. In fact, I think this one might actually be a little bit cleaner on the inside than my other one. Actually, my other one has a shield over this. I wonder what's going on with that. Well, that'll do it for this video.